Okay. Okay. Okay.
Aight.
Okay. Okay.
Soul surviving, dudes so conniving, never stop driving. They pussy like I don't let them sit behind you when you driving. Might even think you talking about them when you rhyming. Or to keep this toolie in the lining. Or to thank the good Lord that you ain't the type to line them. Ain't nobody's business, why they always spying? Type of shit is this, find nothing, get to lying. Turn the world against you, even your men's buying. It's a dirty game, getting hectic, real tiring. Top it off, now they playing victim in the violin. Dripping the color envy, more greener than Ireland. Surrounded by snakes, more meaty than the lion's den.
You're talking too much.
Can't remember why or when. Got you feeling guilty, Jedi tricks on the mind again. They can eat a dick with chips and a Heineken.
Action. As I continue where we left off. As I continue where we left off. Action. As I continue where we left off.
The rebel, the villain, the rebel, the
People saying Zar like ASMR, the cold crush on my beat, how we rock the Casbah. ES back at him, savage like Black Adam. Fast track in the back and forth to blast at him. You ain't worthy, so you don't get no reply. But keep an open eye, we kick it like Cobra Kai. And we the crew leading, I wouldn't remotely care about you, even if we in a Zoom meeting. Let's be honest, yo, these rappers just a boring mess. Actors ought to thank the Hollywood for impress. Yeah, we slap up obnoxious kids, take them out on tape like I'm boxing vids, lay them out like a floor plan. Sick of playing optimistic like I'm in Tom York's band. You lost your mystique and leaked on 4chan for your 4 fans. You're Oregon, no Portland.
Action. As I continue where we left off. As I continue where we left off. Action. As I continue where we left off.
I give you credit for giving it try.
Last name Lannister, call me Kingslayer. None this ill since Kareem was a Laker. Feel that love, yeah, that's the dream of a hater. I'm skating the equator, last seen in Jamaica. Frontin' like the girl, them sugar. Rude boy, them a call inspector. Got him under pressure, no gas, word to Tesla. You find the painkillers, top drawer in the dresser. Back with the force, y'all Bojack Horseman. All that talking, you know that cost him. High price to pay like you shopped at Nordstrom. Deck narcoleptic, I black out often. Salute me as a true king. What up with you, king? I've been doing this since Sinead had a groove thing. Another mood swing, touching up your boo thing. Czarface, Wu-Tang, MF Doom Gang.
I don't know, it's basically, it's all cuts and stuff.